Gwokera melangu kere atela waonyashi.
Uganda is reeling from two disturbing incidents involving attacks on school-going children, raising urgent concerns about safety in and around learning institutions in both Apac district and Ggaba. In Apac, more than 5 students of Apac Secondary School were injured during a violent Easter night attack. The incident occurred at approximately 10 p.m. during a school talent show to mark Easter celebrations. According to head teacher Ggaba James, the situation escalated when male students encountered a suspicious individual near the girls' dormitory while fetching water. The suspect reportedly fled toward a group of individuals believed to have been lying in wait. Armed with pangas and knives, the group attacked the students, leaving several injured. Victims, including Awan Bruce, Jock Ivan, Cabo Han, Uyila, Jonathan, are currently receiving treatment at Apac General Hospital. The resident district commissioner, Andrew Honyo, confirmed that 9 suspects have been arrested and are detained, while others remain at large. Preliminary investigation suggests the violence may have stemmed from disputes involving interactions between students and members of the surrounding community during the event. Local leader Okelo Kenneth criticized frequent night events, warning they often attract risky external elements. Meanwhile, in Kampala, national attention remains fixed on the brutal killing of 4 toddlers at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Program on April 2, 2026. The suspect, Okelo Christopher Onyum, allegedly gained access by posing as a parent before carrying out the attack. In response, the government of Uganda under Museveni has directed the judiciary to fast-track the trial and conduct proceedings within the affected community to ensure transparency and public trust. Authorities have also closed the daycare center and placed financial and psychological support to affected families. These incidents have intensified calls for stricter school security measures, particularly regarding night events and access control. Police continue investigations in both cases, assuring the public of ongoing efforts to restore safety and bring all perpetrators to justice. As communities mourn and recover, leaders emphasize vigilance, accountability, and stronger collaboration between schools and surrounding residents to prevent future tragedies.